The first question is, she decided blank the job offer yesterday. The correct answer is, to accept. The next question is, they will arrive blank Tuesday. The correct answer is, on. The next question is, I haven't seen him blank last week. The correct answer is, since. The next question is, she is looking forward to blank my grandparents next week. The correct answer is, seeing. The next question is, this is the restaurant blank we first met 10 years ago. The correct answer is, where. The next question is, if I blank the answer, I would tell you immediately. The correct answer is, knew. The next question is, he ran so fast blank he missed the bus. Write your answer in the comments. The next question is, I haven't seen him blank months. The correct answer is, 4. The next question is, she blank play the guitar when she was only 5 years old. The correct answer is, could. The next question is, the woman blank house is for sale has moving boxes outside. The correct answer is, whose. The next question is, they have been living in the city blank 5 years. The correct answer is, 4. The next question is, we are going blank holiday next week. The correct answer is, on. The next question is, if I blank you, I would take the job. The correct answer is, were. The next question is, I usually go home blank bus. The correct answer is, by. The next question is, by the time we arrived, they blank already left. The correct answer is, had. The next question is, We have been waiting here blank an hour. The correct answer is 4. The next question is, we decided blank a new car next month. The correct answer is, to buy. The next question is, the lights are on in their house. They blank be home. The correct answer is, must. The next question is, I think you blank see a doctor if you feel sick. The correct answer is, should. The next question is, this pizza is much blank than the one we had yesterday. The correct answer is, better. The next question is, he has been working here blank 5 years. The correct answer is, 4. The next question is, I usually go to bed blank midnight. The correct answer is, at. The last question is, I blank my keys. Can you help me look? Write your answer in the comments.